Here are my top 3 reasons why boxing training will permanently change your life for the better. Number 1, boxing training, much less actually stepping into the ring for competition, will reintroduce you to a better, stronger version of yourself. Because whether you're just training or you're actually in the ring, you're gonna reach a point where you have nothing left physically, and the only thing keeping you going is your spirit to fight. And the more you test that, the more you're gonna elevate your character. And boxing gives you that opportunity every time you step in the gym. Number 2, boxing training is the healthiest form of stress reduction. Yes, physical exercise is great, but there's something so much more satisfying about actually punching a target and leaving all that aggression in the gym. Number 3, improve the ability to defend yourself. Yes, boxing is one of many forms of martial arts, but there's something about the simplicity of boxing that allows one to grasp the concept in a much shorter period of time and be competent enough to apply it in a real world situation. So these are my top 3 reasons why boxing has permanently changed my life for the better, but I'd love to hear what you got to say in the comment section. In the meantime, like, subscribe, share, go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online course is out now. Link is in the description. So the next time we out of here. Out.